Alright guys, out the boat launch, about to put in. Out here on the Pamlico today. We'll see what we can get done. Sorry. Damn, motherfucker.
Oh,
man, appreciate it. It brings the morale up a little bit.
It does bring up the morale. We'll send it to James. Shit. There we go.
It's a good trout. Yeah, good job. Heck yeah, buddy. Good job, man.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, something in me told me to just cast over there and
Oh yeah.
fuck yeah. It's picture worthy.
Very much so.
Get this out of the way.
Another flounder. Gonna be that type of day. Nothing but flounder.
Nothing but flounder. That's a good day though, man.
Oh yeah.
Can't complain.
Let me see. That works.
Yeah.
Yeah. Another big flounder.
That's a damn doormat right there.
They
bro.
never stop.
At least you're getting them. I haven't
Oh,
gotten
yeah.
one. This is your third one. It's big. I think that's your biggest one of the day.
That works.
Flounder.
No, that's a trout. Small guy.
Dude, that's a fucking unit, dude. It's a fucking hog.
I love your sarcasm.
It's a fucking hog, man.
He's gonna grow up and be a gator one day.
That's picture worthy right there, Caleb. That's a fucking hog. Yeah.
Don't say that.
It's a hog, man. Actually is a pretty fish, though.
Oh yeah. I hate cutting my net, but if it helps the fish, it helps the fish.
Gotta send proof that we caught trout to James, because then he won't believe.
You good, take your time. He's a small trout. I told you, I think there's a bunch of trout laying there.
Dude, I'm about to sling it over there. It's your second one back to back.
You should.
I'm kind of jealous.
In you go, beauty.
Have a great fucking time.
That's a drum. Yeah. I cast it right where he was chasing some bait.
Damn, I was gonna cast over there.
Oh, that's a good drum.
Oh yeah. We're going in this way.
Damn, he's a big one. He's not giving up. God, he's muscling me. That's a big drum, bro.
Oh, that's a fucking hog.
Might be bigger than yesterday's.
He is fighting. Shit.
Fuck. Oh, he's a good one. Let him wear him out. He'll wear himself out in a second. Alright, get ready. Let's go and get the net near the water.
No, don't go that way. Don't go that way.
Net, there you go. Good job, dude.
Damn, he's fucking heavy as shit.
Sheesh. Good job, man. Appreciate it. Woo.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to take a selfie on this one.
Oh, yeah.
That
Well, here.
motherfucker was heavy as shit, bud.
Use my phone and do a picture of it.
There.
Forgot to hit record, but nice little flounder.
Where's your gripper thing at? Cause I ain't touching that bitch with them teeth.
Hold the net for me.
It's a flounder.
Nice.
On the fucking jellyfish. It's great.
Good job, man. Oh yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Flounder number 2. This one looks like it's the same fucking size.
These hook pretty good. Let me get them green pliers.
Oh, hell yeah.
Good shit, bro.
Hell yeah, bro. Almost back to back casts. 2 casts in between.
You want a photo with him?
Yes, sir. I'm gonna take a picture with every
Hear
fish.
him grunting. All right. confident. And we'll ride towards him, just keep it tight. Man, what the fuck you got? Oh, it's a big ass bluefish. Damn.
Oh, motherfucker is heavy.
Oh yeah, that's a blue for you.
He's right there, Caleb. He's on this side. He's right there, Caleb. He's right there, Caleb.
Let him. Don't force him. Don't force him. Damn, that's a big bluefish. Let him fight. Let him fight. Oh, fucking A. God damn. That's a... Wait. What is that?
I don't fucking know, but that motherfucker put a arm workout on me.
It's a big blue.
Came off the bait.
He's off.
He's off the hook.
It's a big bluefish.
I am not dropping this one. Put up.
We'll get a measurement on him too. Slide him in there. Fuck, dude. I ain't never caught a blue that big. 20. Ew, he peed on me.
Yes. That's amazing.
Adios, amigos.
A great catch.
Thanks, man. Trying to be like you one day.
Nah, dude.
Catch a big fish. Dude, we've slayed the fish today. I think it's another flounder. Yeah. Oh.
Did he get off?
No.
Hell yeah.
Little jumping booger.
He like disappeared for a minute. Too many flounder. Hell yeah.
Oh, it's a trout.
Oh.
Nice. Nice.
Oh, yeah. Back to back, bud.